Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 video recording not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first of all, open settings. Now after opening settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and then open camera. Now here, for stop the camera app, click on this for stop option and then click OK. And after that, scroll down and open storage. And now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now click on delete and after that go back and here open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and open software update. And now click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating the software, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching the video.